Instant Search, zip code by county. This tool is especially useful for marketers, delivery planners, service providers, researchers, and anyone who needs to target or analyze areas based on county boundary. Let's get started. First, head over to searchbug.com and click on the Lookups tab. Then select Zip Code by County. Now select the state to start, then select the county to view all zip codes in that county. You can also click the zip code to investigate the zip code further and retrieve details about specific cities. Once you click Find City to Zip, it will provide details such as all of the zip codes in that city, city, state, county, location map, metro area, with time zone, daylight saving time whether it's observed or not, current date and time for that location, elevation. If this is your first time using Searchbug, don't forget, you'll receive 500 free search tokens on your first search token purchase. Also, your first search under $5 is free. Frequently asked questions about zip code by county. Is this data regularly updated? Yes, Searchbug zip code data is updated regularly to reflect changes from USPS and other official sources. How do I use the zip code by county tool? To use the tool, go to searchbug.com, click the Lookups tab, then choose Zip Codes by County, select a state, then a county to view all associated zip codes. You can also search by city and state to find a zip code if needed. How is this different from zip code and radius? Zip code by county is based on administrative boundaries, while zip code and radius is based on physical distance from a central zip code. How fast is it? The results appear in a matter of seconds. How current is the data? Zip code data is updated monthly using verified USPS and GIS dataset. Is there support or a way to suggest features? Yes, you can contact us via live chat, phone, or email. There are also written guides and tutorials available if you need help. Did you find this tutorial helpful? If you have any questions or video suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials and helpful tips from Searchbug. Thank you for watching.